Okay, grade 12. This is now try now 5. We're going to look at A. Okay, you've got a pair of parallel lines and you've got indicated that one as being x and that one being 2x. Okay, and if you now look at what you have, people, you've got both angles between the two parallel lines. So it's on the inside, okay? And both are on the same side of the intersecting line, which is this one, okay? Which you now should recognize as co-interior, okay? And remember the co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees, which means if you now take angle X and you add to that angle 2x, then that gives you 180 degrees. Okay. And now we got a linear equation. So we just simplify. This is 1x. So how much is 1x plus 2x? It is 3x, and that equals 180 degrees. Okay, and then we must move the 3. Remember, it's multiplied on this side, so we divide by 3 on that side. And if you divide 180 by 3, you will get 60 degrees. Okay, then if we look at example B, now, again, we've got a pair of parallel lines. Okay, this is the pair of parallel lines. We don't have two angles on the inside. Okay, we don't have even that side and that side. So we don't have on the inside. Remember, the inside is co-interior and inside is also alternating. Okay, so there is only one more type of angle left over, and that is the corresponding angle. I told you that the corresponding angles, you will have one on the inside, so in between the two parallel lines, and you will have one on the outside, but they are on the same side of the intersecting line. So in this case, we've got corresponding angles, okay? And what do we know about corresponding angles? We know that they are equal. So in this case, you can say that 45 degrees is the same as x plus 15 degrees. Okay, and again, we've got a linear equation, people, meaning we want to find x. So you must move the 15, which becomes negative 15, and then 45 minus 15 gives you 30 degrees, which then is equal to x. Okay, and then the third one, which is a bit more difficult, I must admit. Number one, people, your parallel lines are not horizontal. So it is much more difficult to now recognize corresponding alternating and co-interior angles. So I'm going to change this around and I'm going to move my paper so that I've got two parallel lines which are horizontal. Okay. Now if you look at what you know, firstly, we don't have the both angles on the inside here, so there is nothing co-interior. Okay. We also don't have one on the right side, one on the left side of the intersecting line. These two, or those two, which are the alternating angles. Okay. So we must look at corresponding angles. But now remember, corresponding angles, if you look at this one as an example, this is on the outside. So where is its corresponding angle? It's on the inside at the bottom here. So this one is 76 degrees. Do you agree? Okay, I say that again. When we look at corresponding angles, we've got one of them between the two parallel lines, and we've got one on the outside. Okay, and they like in a step. Okay, can you see that? It's like a step down. Okay, so this one must be 76 degrees. At the same time, people, if you look at this one, okay, and that one, they are also corresponding equal angles. Therefore, this one must also be equal to x plus 14 degrees. So again, this one is on the inside of the parallel lines. This one is on the outside of the parallel lines. Okay, they are on the same side of the intersecting line. So therefore, that one must be equal to x plus 14. And if you now look, people, you've got the two angles on the inside on the same side of the intersecting line. And those two together must be 180 degrees, isn't it? That is co-interior angles. So therefore, we can now say that x plus 14, which is that one, plus 76, which is that one, equals 180 degrees. Okay, and then we've got a linear equation again, meaning on the left-hand side, we can add the 14 to the 76, which is 90. Okay, then we have x plus 90 equals 180. Then we must move the 90 to that side, so it becomes negative 90, and then we have x equals 180 minus 90, which is 90 degrees, meaning your x is 90 degrees. Okay, I hope it makes it clear. If not, remember, just message me. Thank you. Bye.